In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly book a flight using Expedia. From browsing through available options to making sure you've entered all the necessary information, we'll walk through the entire process so you're ready to book your next trip with confidence. First, let's begin our journey by heading over to the Expedia website. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in Expedia in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a menu of options at the top of the page. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on booking a flight, so go ahead and click on the Flights tab. When you click on Flights, you're prompted to fill in a few key pieces of information. Here, you'll need to enter your departure and destination cities, the dates you plan to travel, and of course, the number of travelers in your party. It's important to select the correct class of travel that suits your needs, whether you prefer economy, business, or first class. Once you've double-checked your entries, click the search button to find available flights. After you've hit search, you'll be presented with a list of flight options. Here you can compare different airlines, departure times, arrival times, and prices. This is the part where you might want to take a moment to consider your options. Factors like layover duration, total travel time, and customer reviews can all play a role in your decision. Once you've found a flight that fits your schedule and budget, click on it to begin the selection process. Now that you've selected your flight, you'll find yourself on the checkout page. This page will require you to confirm some details and finalize your booking. Double-check all the information, such as names of travelers and contact details. This is also where you'll input your payment method, ensuring all payment information is accurate and up to date. If you have any frequent flyer numbers or discount codes, make sure to enter them here to maximize any potential savings. After all the required fields are completed and the information looks correct, go ahead and confirm your booking. Within moments, you should receive an email confirmation of your itinerary. Keep this email handy as it contains crucial details about your flight and acts as your receipt. Congratulations, you're done. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully booked your flight on Expedia. By following these instructions, booking travel is straightforward and stress-free. Remember, having your information ready before you begin can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the excitement of your upcoming journey.